Now, in this video, children, as I have sent you before the activity to draw picture, the double curve and everything that you have completed, no? And today's class online, what did we do? We did the number writing, right? So 1 and 2 I taught you, but for you notebook writing, I'm going to give you only number 1 to practice. Okay, as you know this standing line before, I am giving you one page of that. See, I request parents to kindly write the heading and give them with the date 1 9 20 and classwork number writing 1. Okay, and this first line has to be written by your parents, and next you can keep a dot in the middle of the box so that children can pull the number 1 from the dot to down line. They have to touch this down line while writing, and please be careful that they will not write in between, and they should not pull the line beyond this line also. It has to be exactly stopped here. So this is very important for the neat handwriting. Okay, so from dot till the line. So number 1 you will say and write number 1. Okay, for this half a page, please divide the page into half. One half your child will be writing, and the next half it's for the coloring activity. Isn't this standing line, a candle looks like number 1? So I request you to color it in the standing line position. So whichever color you use, please color it in the standing line position. So number writing 1, it's from way down you run. Okay, that song I did know in the online class, down you run, you 1 is done, right? Down you run and 1 is done. So that song you can sing and draw, color this. And then here I have given you 1 just to reinforce the concept. This way you can write, or this is not even required also. Just for the picture representation I have given 1 like this, and you can also make your child write ONE1 in each box. ONE, separate boxes. Then sun, you will see only one sun, so here also you can write. So this multiple kind of coloring activity and repeated writing will reinforce the concept and writing, so that is very good for the memory of your child. Now sing and write. Normally we say and write. I want you to sing and write, children. See here, homework activity, one more page you will write. Sing and write, like what you're going to sing. Down you run and 1 is done. So while you writing, you will say this. Down you run and 1 is done. Down you run and 1 is done. So you can say or sing and write number 1 for this whole page. This is your homework activity also. Thank you, children. See you in the next session.